Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna cook spicy boiled egg. Okay, so now we are still boiling the egg, and then we're gonna peel that one, and then we're gonna start the making a sauce of that spicy boiled egg. Okay, see you later, guys. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to continue the cooking of the spicy boiled egg. So since we just finished the boiled egg, so it's done. Okay, so now we need also salt, black pepper, soy sauce, and then ketchup, a little honey, and then sriracha, butter, and then tomatoes, chilies, garlic, onions. Okay, to add the butter. Okay, and then saute the garlic. The onions, guys. All this one, the tomatoes, the chilies, and the bell pepper. A little soy sauce, amber, just add little. We're gonna add sriracha, the ketchup, just 2 tablespoons each. We're gonna add honey. Since my honey is not so much, so I think I'm gonna put it all. Okay, so that's it there. And now we're gonna add the egg. And now we're gonna simmer for 2 minutes, guys. Cover first, and we'll be right back. So that's our spicy egg boiled or spicy boiled egg. Okay, so now I'm gonna add so that it's become more yummy. Okay. And then okay, that one, guys, that's our it came out. Okay, that's our spicy boiled eggs. And now we're gonna garnish with mozzarella cheese. Okay, guys, so that's our it's testing time, so I'm gonna off the heat now. So that's our spicy boiled egg. Okay, I just want to taste this one. Yummy. Okay, guys, so it's very yummy, guys. So our spicy boiled egg, it's very yummy. And then thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.